I'm Duncan Campbell, standing for Taupō Award and committed to being a strong and honest voice at the table. My two main priorities are, number one, restoring representative democracy so that council decisions reflect the will of the people, not just staff agendas, which is happening now. Number two, getting smarter about spending rates wisely so that residents aren't just being squeezed year after year, also happening now. As one of your current councillors, I've shown that I'm not afraid to stand apart when something doesn't stack up, even with the odds against me. I bring my technical background as a practicing civil engineer and a backbone to challenge poor decisions and push for better ones. The biggest issue we are facing around here is trust. People have lost faith that council works for them, and they are right. Right now, council isn't working for them. It's off doing its own thing. That's at the heart of everything, really, from exorbitant rate hikes to dodgy decisions behind closed doors. If we can rebuild that trust by listening and being transparent, then I believe we can tackle the rest of the challenges together and rebuild a council that actually works for the people. Have a look at my website, duncandostaupo.com, to find out more.